Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be making corn dogs. So for this I have some Frankfurt sausages which I have put some skewers in, and here I have made a batter which has 100 grams of plain flour, 1 egg and a dash of milk. I have some breadcrumbs, so I've got a mixture of homemade breadcrumbs and some shop bought breadcrumbs. So let's begin. So we've got some melted mozzarella cheese which we are wrapping the corn dogs in. So once these are wrapped, so these are now wrapped up, I'm going to now cover the sausage with the batter. Now I'm going to cover it with the breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to dip this in the oil. So I'm going to cook this on both sides, so let's just cook on one side first. So I've put 2 in, so just keep turning them. These are now ready. So I'm just going to add some ketchup, some mustard and some chili sauce. Here we go, our finished corn dogs. This is a very simple and easy recipe to do, so give it a try, and thanks guys for watching.